Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video tonight showing you how to fit a starter motor on this 2004 Ford Fiesta, and this one's a little 1.25 petrol model. If you check out my channel, I'll just put a link in the description below as well. We've got some other videos on pretty much the same engine fitting a cam belt as well. So I'll just show you, we've got the new starter motor here. Quite a straightforward job on these little Fiestas. We'll have a 12 volt feed that goes on here, a trigger wire on there, and then just looking at the starter motor, it's a 3-bolt fitting. So the first thing we're going to do is just get it up in the air. We're using a 2-poster ramp today. It does make it a little bit easier, but it's a fairly straightforward job to do without. All I do is just jack it up quite high on one of the sills. The first job I'm going to do is just take one of the battery terminals off. Doesn't matter which terminal you take off, but it's a live permanent 12 volt feed down to the starter motor. So you do want to take it off so that doesn't start arcing out when you're taking it off. We'll just get it up in the air now after taking that off and show you what we've got to do next. So now we've got the vehicle up in the air, just coming underneath, and this is the starter motor just here, coming into the gearbox. And to get it out, we've got 3 bolts, one just there, another one to the rear of that, and then one just there as well, all 13mm. But before we take them off, we're going to get this plastic bracket off here, which can't quite see on the camera, but basically if you just come up round this side, and there's a 13mm nut. I'm just going to come up with the ratchet, just come through there and get that 13mm nut off. Then we can remove this plastic guard. We should be able to see the little trigger wire as well. So we'll just get this off first and then show you the trigger wire. So this one's slightly different to the last one I did. You actually have to undo the 30mm and the 10mm because it all sort of holds part in the, try and show you on the camera, but they're actually part of this plastic cover. So the last one I did, there was 2 separate ones. So you can just see the 2 connectors there. Basically under the 10mm off outside, 30mm off outside. And now that's all the wiring off the starter motor. All we'll have to do now is just take these 13s out. So we'll just get them off next. Now we've got all 3 starter motor bolts all out. I've just pulled them all back there, they don't need to be fully out. And all I'm going to do now is just pull this wiring out of the way a bit and just have a bit of a jiggle around just to get the starter motor down. The camera just slipped down while I was just getting that out there. It's a little bit tight, but you just have to sort of pull it back from the gearbox a bit. Just work it around and then get it down. So not too bad a job really. If you check out the links in the description below, I'll put links to a starter motor and where you can get them from at a decent price as well. But now that's out, all we've got to do is just put the new one into place. Just before you do, it's always worth just having a quick look, just seeing there, that's the flywheel that your starter motor turns against. It's always worth just having a quick look at that to make sure it doesn't look too damaged. If it is, you might, sometimes you can have it where the flywheel's a little bit chewed up and that'll actually damage your starter motor. So all I'm going to do now is just fit that back into place, reconnect it just in the order that we took it off. Just before you fit your starter motor, just make sure you take your washers off. Just got the starter motor situated into place there, and just before you do anything else, just wind all your bolts in by hand first. Just make sure you've got the thread rather than winding them straight in with a ratchet. Just sort of might have to hold the starter motor up and steady while you just start threading them in. I'm going to knit them up properly now. They don't need to be too tight, just a good knit really, and then we can put the connectors back on and knit them up. just got that all bolted back up now. Just had to take this connector off here. It just gives us a little bit of room, extra room. So now that's done, we can just drop it back down, reconnect the battery, and we're good to go. So the start motor's all fitted now. All we'll have to do is just try it quickly. It's nicely struck straight up there. As you can see, quite a nice straightforward job on these little Fiestas, but I thought I'd share the video with you all in case anyone else wants to have a go at theirs. Don't forget to check out the channel, there's plenty of other videos on there as well. So, thanks for watching, see you next time.